morning students, welcome to my class of standard 9th subject mathematics part 2 chapter 6 circle. Today we are going to start directly practice set 6.1. In my previous video I have explained you about the theorems and basic concepts related to this chapter circle. So now today, without wasting time, we are going to start practice set 6.1. Your first question is, distance of chord AB from the center of the circle is 8. This is your chord AB, you know, and distance of chord AB from the center of the circle, this is 8 centimeter. Okay, and the length of chord AB is 12. Full length is 12. Full length of the chord is 12. Okay, find the diameter of the circle. We want the diameter of the circle. So first of all we will get the radius. Okay, radius OA we will get, and then we can get the diameter, you know, as I have explained you in the basic concepts. So here now you can see chord AB is 12. Here chord AB is 12 centimeter. Okay, diagram you have to draw it by yourself. Okay, chord AB is 12 centimeter and sec OP is perpendicular to chord AB. You can see here OP is perpendicular to chord AB. Therefore AP will be half of AB. Okay, why? Because you know the reason. Perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. This is the reason you have to write it. Okay, perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. That is why you got it. Okay, that theorem we have done in our previous video. So this will be half into 12, you will get 6, and therefore AP is equal to 6 centimeter. Here you got this 6 centimeter. Okay. Achha, now with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we will find out OA. All of you know Pythagoras theorem. Okay, if you know Pythagoras theorem, you can solve this exercise 6.1 very easily, because all the sums are based on Pythagoras theorem only. Now here we have to find out the hypotenuse. You can see this is 90 degree, 90 ka opposite side is this OA. We have to find out. Okay, now in triangle OAP, angle OPA is 90 degree by Pythagoras theorem. You know Pythagoras theorem, all of you? Pythagoras theorem, all of you know? We want this OA. So OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. Correct? So OP is how much? 8. 8 का square plus AP is how much? 6. तो उसका square, 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36. So you will get OA square is equal to, I am writing here, OA square is equal to 100, and therefore OA is equal to 10. Taking square root. By taking square root, you got it. You have to write by taking square root. There is no place here, so I am not writing. You have to write it by taking square root. So OA you got 10. Now we got this 10. So radius is 10. That is, radius is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now we want diameter. Therefore diameter is equal to, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. Please cooperate. There is no place here. So you will get 2 into 10. 2 into 10 is 20 centimeter. Okay. So diameter you got 20 centimeter. So very easily you are getting. Okay. We have to use Pythagoras theorem in this. Okay. After using Pythagoras theorem, you will get the radius. And after getting the radius, you know diameter is twice radius. Diameter is twice radius. Radius का double करने का. Then you will get diameter. Okay. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 2. Practice at 6.1. Sum number 2 is diameter of a circle is 26. Now diameter is given 26. Diameter is equal to 26 centimeter. Okay. We don't want diameter. We want radius. Therefore, radius OA is equal to diameter upon 2. Diameter upon 2. Okay. So here you will get diameter is 26 upon 2. You will get 13. So you got 13 centimeter radius. Okay. Then length of the chord of the circle is 24. This is 24 now. This is 24 full. Okay. So we don't want full, we want only half. Till here only we want. Okay. Also sec OP is perpendicular to chord AB, and therefore AP is half of AB. Reason you know, perpendicular drawn from center to the chord, from center to chord bisects the chord. This full you have to write again and again. Okay. So you will get, therefore AP is equal to half into 24. ये पूरा का half करेंगे तो you will get 12, and therefore AP you got 12. This you got 12. Now we want find the distance of chord from the center. Find the distance of chord from the center. You want this OP. Okay. So for this OP, again we will use Pythagoras theorem. As I told you, all the sums we are using Pythagoras theorem. But sometimes you have to find this, sometimes you have to find this, or sometimes you have to find this. Anyone. Okay. So now Pythagoras theorem. All of you know Pythagoras theorem. In triangle OAP by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, all of you know. Okay. Pythagoras theorem. OP square plus AP square is equal to OA square. This hypotenuse I am taking this side. So OP square you don't know, plus AP is 12 square, and this is OA is 13 square. So OP square plus AP square is equal to, okay, OA square. So OP square, very easily 144 you got it, is equal to 169. This will go there, becomes minus. So OP square is equal to 169 minus 144, and therefore OP square you got 25, and therefore by taking square root you will get OP is equal to 5 centimeter. taking square root. Okay, so very easily with the help of Pythagoras theorem you got this OP 5. Then in last statement you have to write, therefore the distance of chord from the center O is 5 centimeter. Last statement you have to write, it is compulsory. Okay, because it is word problem. So in word problem always you have to keep in mind last statement is compulsory. Otherwise your half marks will get cut. If it is of 3 marks sum, you will get only 2.5 marks. So please keep in mind children, you are doing the full sum. If you will not write the last statement, your half mark will get cancelled. So why to cut the half marks? Okay, why to cut the half mark? You have to write the last statement. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 3. Okay, practice at 6.1. Question is, radius of the circle is 34. Distance of chord from the center is 30. Find the length of the chord. See, find the length of the chord means first of all students, you will get AP here. After getting AP, you have to double it. Okay, directly you will not get AB. Directly you will not get AB. First of all, you will get AP with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So here sec OP is perpendicular to chord AB. Okay, in triangle OAP by Pythagoras theorem. Directly we are using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, OP square plus AP square is equal to OA square. So OP square is 30, AP square don't know, OA is 34. Okay, so 30 square you know 900 plus AP square is equal to 34 square is 1156. If you do the square you will get 1156. 900 will go there, becomes minus. So you will get AP square is equal to 1156 minus 900, and therefore AP square is equal to 256, and therefore AP is equal to 16 centimeter by taking square root. Taking square root. Okay, but the sum is not over. Sum is not over. Okay, we don't want AP. Here we want full AB. We want the chord, and therefore chord AB is equal to 2 into AP. 2 multiplied by AP, because reason you have to write. Reason is that same reason, perpendicular drawn from center to the chord, bisect the chord. Full reason you have to write. Again I am saying, like how we wrote the reason in sum number 1 and sum number 2. We wrote the reason. Okay, that full reason you have to write. And then you will get 2 into AP is 16. So 2 into 16 is 32 centimeter. So chord AB you got it now. Chord AB you got it now, 32 centimeter. So in this sum we were told to find out AB. Chord AB हमको पूछा था, and these two were given. These two were given. So again with the help of Pythagoras theorem, with the help of Pythagoras, we will find out AP and then double it. Please copy it down. Okay, now come to sum number 4. Diagram is same. Okay, here radius of the circle is 41 units, and length of the chord is 80 units. But we don't want full length of the chord, we want only till AP. as you know. Okay, here chord AB is equal to 80 units. No centimeter, no meter, only units. Okay, and sec OP is perpendicular to chord AB. It is given there in diagram. Therefore, AP is half of AB. Reason: perpendicular drawn from center to the chord, bisect the chord. Full reason you have to write, and therefore AP is equal to half into 80, 40, and therefore AP is equal to 40. AP you got 40 units. Okay, now we want distance of chord from the center of the circle. So again you will use Pythagoras theorem. As you know, in triangle OAP, by Pythagoras theorem, okay, Pythagoras theorem, you know, OP square plus AP square is equal to OA square, correct? So OP you don't know, AP 40 and OA is 41, 41 का square. Therefore OP square plus 40 square is 1600 equal 41 का square. Now how to do the square of 41? Very easy way I am showing you. अभी देखो 41 का square करना है. Okay, 41 का square. Last में unit place में 1 है. So if in unit place 1 is there ना, तो you can do in this shortcut method. ये shortcut method है. ये देखो 1 का square 1, 1 का square 1, 4 का डबल करने का. Double of 4 is 8. Double of 4 is 8. पहले डबल. Then square of 4. Square of 4 is 16. 1681 you are getting the square of 41. 41 का square मिल गया तुमको 1681. Please do not forget this shortcut method. Instead of multiplying and wasting your time, you should not waste time in exam. So this is a shortcut method. If any number is having 1 in the unit place, then only you can do like this. Then only, हाँ, सबके लिए नहीं, only for this. Okay. और अगर समझो 5 वाला है, suppose any number is having 5 in the unit place, suppose 15 है, 15 का square चाहिए. Any number is having 5, तो 5 का square होता है 25. First you have to write this square. Okay. और ये 1 है, 1 के बाद क्या आता है? 1 के बाद आता है 2. तो 1 into 2 is 2. 225. See, 15 square is 225. ये 1 है, 1 के बाद में which number comes after 1, दोनों को multiply करने का, then you will get this. So this is shortcut method for this, for 1 ending with 1. Okay, unit place with 1, and this is the shortcut method for 5. So please keep in mind, please do not forget. पहला ये 1 का square 1, 4 का double 8 double, and then square. Okay, if it is carry is there, so carry, you can do 1 carry. Okay, see, for example, suppose here it is 71 है, 71, तो 1 का square 1, okay, 7 का double 14, तो 4 1 carry, 1 carry कर दिया हमने. अच्छा, now 7 square is what? 7 square 49, 49 plus 1 50, 5041. 1 कैरी किया वो प्लस कर देने का स्क्वायर में. ओके, सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, here you got it. 41 square is 1681. Now this will go there, becomes minus. Therefore OP square is equal to 1681 minus 1600. So therefore OP square is equal to 81 and therefore OP is equal to 9. Taking square root. Taking square root, you got it. OP is equal to 9. So here we got the answer for fourth one also very easily. And with the shortcut trick also I showed you how to do the square of the number with the unit place 1 and with the unit place 5. Please copy it down. Okay, now my dear students, come to the last sum. Fifth one, sixth one is omitted by the government. So this is the last sum of practice set 6.1. Diagram is given to you and you have to prove that AP equal to BQ. AP equal to BQ. So here, first of all, we will take for larger circle. First we will see in the larger circle. Okay, for larger circle. Sec AB is a chord. Sec AB is a chord. And sec OT, we will take one alphabet. Sec OT is perpendicular to chord AB. This is perpendicular to chord AB. Now you know perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisect the chord. You know very well. So therefore you will get AT is equal to TB. AT is equal to TB. Reason: perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord. You number 1. Also for smaller circle, you can also write outer circle and inner circle also. Okay, that is up to you. You will not get wrong. For smaller circle, sec PQ is a chord. Same like this only. Sec PQ is a chord. And sec OT is perpendicular to chord PQ. OT is perpendicular to chord PQ. And therefore, you will get PT is equal to TQ. PT is equal to TQ. Reason is same. Perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisect the chord. Same reason. Okay. After getting this, you have to subtract. Subtracting 2 from 1. Subtracting 2 from 1. Okay, I am writing here subtracting 2 from 1. Okay. 80 minus PT. 80 minus PT is equal to TB minus TQ. So 80 minus PT करेंगे तो you will get AP and TB minus TQ किया तो you will get BQ. So here we proved very easily. We proved, see, AP equal to BQ. This was the last sum for you. Okay. Now this practice set is completed. You can complete in your book very easily. We took the help of perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisect the chord. पहला बड़ा सर्कल लेने का and then afterward you will take smaller circle. So very easily, see, we are getting. Please copy it down. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.